In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Pay Now button to your Xero Invoices. This feature is a game changer for streamlining your invoicing process and ensuring you get paid faster. The ability for your customers to pay directly through their invoice can enhance your cash flow and minimize the number of steps you need to take to settle outstanding accounts. Let's dive in and set this up together. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the top of your Xero dashboard where you'll find the Sales menu. Go ahead and click on Sales. Once you do that, a drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you should select Sales Settings. It's within these settings that you can make adjustments to how you handle payments and invoices. Once you're in the Sales settings, look for the Online Payments option and click on it. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on Online Payments, you're opening up possibilities for various payment methods that you can integrate into your invoices. You have the choice to connect various payment methods and digital wallets that are compatible with Xero. Taking a moment to set this up will mean that whenever you send an invoice to your customers, they will see a Pay Now button right on the invoice itself. This button empowers your customers to pay you directly and conveniently through the invoice, streamlining the payment process significantly. The result is a more efficient payment experience for both you and your clients. As you consider which online payment options to enable, think about what will be most convenient for your customers. Sometimes offering multiple payment methods is beneficial, as it increases the likelihood of a quick payment. Whether it's credit cards, PayPal, or any other digital wallet, connecting these options can be done through the online payment setting, following straightforward instructions provided by Xero. Remember, this simple addition to your workflow could lead to a quicker turnaround in payments and better financial management overall. It eliminates the need for back-and-forth communication about payment methods and simplifies the mechanics of your transactions. Moreover, having this feature activated reassures your clients that they can trust in a seamless payment experience, potentially enhancing your professional relationship. And just like that, you've now got a streamlined process for adding a Pay Now button to your invoices in Xero. With these few adjustments, you can make a significant impact on your invoicing efficiency and customer satisfaction. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.